That's where the trail starts. 6 minutes or so, and you're down at that beautiful waterfall. Coming around here, you have a little plantel. Put a little cabina down here. You're going to come up to the main building area up here. Nice and sunny. There we are. Private drive coming in. You see him standing over there. It's starting to flatten out over here. You can clear out this brush, create more room, and really private. So it's on about a 1 hec, more or less, and about 10 minutes up from the highway. Alright, so